Hey everyone! Welcome back to An Everyday English and Beyond, your go-to place for mastering English naturally and confidently. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into English grammar. But don't worry, this won't be boring. If you've ever struggled with grammar mistakes, felt unsure about sentence structure, or wanted to improve your fluency without overthinking grammar rules, then this lesson is for you. By the end of this session, you will identify and are correct the most common grammar mistakes, learn new practical techniques to fix them effortlessly, discover habits that will help you master grammar naturally, get NASA real-time practice with fun exercises. What to expect? First hour, basic grammar mistakes and their fixes. Second hour, advanced grammar challenges. Third hour, grammar drills and fluency building exercises. So, grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's improve your grammar together. Common grammar, mistake number 1, subject-verb agreement. Mistake: using the wrong verb form with singular plural subjects. Incorrect: she go to school every day. Correct: she goes to school every day. Explanation: singular subjects, he, she, it, take a verb with holdarain, goes, runs, eats. Plural subjects, they, we, use the base form, go, run, eat. Practice sentences. Fill in the blanks with the correct verb form. 1. He, are, likes, to read books. 2. They, plays soccer every weekend. 3. My mom, cooks delicious meals. Write your answers in the comments. Common grammar mistake number 2. Misusing. There. Mistake: mixing up these 3 words. Incorrect: they're going to the mall. Correct: they're going to the mall. Explanation: there, a place, e.g., look over there. Their possession, e.g., that is their car. They're short for they are, e.g., they're happy. Quick challenge. Which sentence is correct? A. They're going to the party. B. They're going to the party. Drop your answers below. Common grammar mistake number 3. Wrong use of much and many. Incorrect: I have much friends. Correct: I have many friends. Rule: use 0 many. For countable nouns, books, apples, cars. Use much got for uncountable nouns, water, money, advice. Quick practice. 1. There isn't much many sugar in my coffee. 2. I have zero much many questions about this topic. Advanced grammar. Mistake number 1. Misplaced modifiers. What is a misplaced modifier? A modifier is a word or phrase that describes something in a sentence. If placed incorrectly, it can create confusion. Incorrect: she almost drove her kids to school every day. Correct: she drove her kids to school almost every day. Explanation: in the first sentence, almost seems to describe driving, making it sound like she almost drove but didn't. In the corrected sentence, almost correctly modifies how often she drove. Practice sentences. 1. I nearly listened to all the podcasts. 2. I only saw my friend yesterday. 3. She almost ate the whole pizza. Fix these sentences and comment your answers below. Advanced grammar. Mistake number 2. Run-on sentences and fixing them. What is a run-on sentence? A run-on sentence happens when 2 or more independent clauses are joined incorrectly. Incorrect: I love learning English. It is my favorite subject. Correct: I love learning English. It is my favorite subject. How to fix run-on sentences. Separate them with a period. I love learning English. It is my favorite subject. Use a conjunction. I love learning English and it is my favorite subject. Use a semicolon. I love learning English. It is my favorite subject. Quick challenge. Which of these sentences is correct? A. She went to the store. She bought some milk. B. She went to the store. She bought some milk. Comment below. Advanced grammar. Mistake number 3. Overusing passive voice. What is passive voice? In passive voice, the subject receives the action instead of doing it. Incorrect. Passive. A mistake was made in the report. Correct. Active. I made a mistake in the report. Why should you avoid passive voice? Makes sentences clearer and more direct. Helps your English sound more natural. Improves writing and speaking skills. Quick practice. Turn these passive sentences into active ones. 1. The book was read by Sarah. 2. The decision was made by the manager. 3. The cake was baked by my grandmother. Drop your answers in the comments. Now, it's time to put everything into practice. In this final hour, we'll focus on interactive grammar drills and fluency exercises that will help you apply what you've learned and improve your English naturally. Grammar drill number 1, spot and fix the mistakes. How this works. I'll show you some sentences with mistakes. Pause the video, write down your corrections, and then check your answers with me. Sentence 1. She don't like coffee. What's wrong with this sentence? Fix it. Sentence 2. Yesterday I go to the market. How would you correct this? Sentence 3. He has many informations about the topic. Find and fix the mistake. Challenge yourself. Write your corrected sentences in the comments. Grammar drill number 2. Build the correct sentence. How this works. You'll see jumbled words. Your task is to form a correct sentence. Sentence 1. These every day, bus, takes, Kurishi. Rearrange these words into a correct sentence. Sentence 2. Not I, going am, party. Can you fix this? Sentence 3. His forgot, book, John, school, at. Write the correct version. Post your answers in the comments. Fluency exercise. Speak incorrect. How this works. I'll say a sentence with a mistake. Listen, repeat it correctly, and practice speaking naturally. Listen and correct. She has went to the store. Your turn. Say the correct version aloud. Me and my friend was there. Can you say the correct version? You don't have a pen. Fix it and repeat after me. Tip. Speak out loud. The more you practice, the more fluent you become. Amazing work. You've just completed an intensive grammar training. Final tips for mastering grammar. 1. The sao. Practice daily. Use new grammar rules in real conversations. 2. Write more. Journaling or social media posts help reinforce grammar. 3. Listen and imitate. Watch native speakers and copy their sentence structure. 4. Keep learning. Grammar is a journey, not a destination. Before you go, like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to Everyday English and Beyond for more lessons. Comment below. What was the most useful tip for you? See you in the next lesson.